All right, we're in Broken Arrow today. $498,000 for this beautiful home, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3331 square feet, and it's over 1/4 of an acre. So huge lot. Let's go in and check it out. We're having a broker's open today. This is Ashley Cooper's listing with EXP. So there are some people inside, but that's fine. It's an entertaining house. The kitchen's huge, and you'll see that it fits everyone nicely. Let's head on in here and show you guys this home. If I can get my thing in my pocket. So love the foyer here. Nice tall ceilings. And let's head over. You have 2 bedrooms right here off the front foyer. So here's 1 bedroom here. And I'll show you the closet. I think that's one of the things people miss, is like you don't see closets in the photos other than the master. So that's a really good size for a bedroom, kid's bedroom. Here is your hall bath. It's a full bath. I love I think this is actually like a cultured marble counter because it doesn't feel like marble, but I do love the design there. Huge shower. Nice tile backsplash there. Here's your front bedroom. There is a designated office I'll show you guys in a second, but this could be another office if you need to. You have your Ecobee appliance, or thermostat, I mean. Here's your office. Love the built-in. Of course, you'd have like a nice desk here, and that would be your backdrop, which is cool if you make a lot of videos or anything like that. Could be good. Here's your living area. I love the fireplace. That stacked stone is really beautiful. And here's your kitchen area. Like I said, lots of space. Huge dining area. Love the light cabinets. And let's head on upstairs. And I'll show you up here, and then we'll go back down and show you the master after this. Here's 1 bedroom here. Love the kind of Cape Cod boat theme they got going on. I've got another bedroom. Here is your upstairs bath. Got the same marble look on the counters. Good size shower. And here's your upstairs game room, entertainment room. I like the archways on here, which is cool. Little touch of character there. And this room is massive. A little sneak preview of the backyard. Huge space. Love the green belt. That's always a desirable thing in Oklahoma, or really any city for that matter. Let's head on downstairs and I'll show you the master. Oh wait, let me show you this here. Here's your overview balcony. And let's go look at the master. Actually, I want to show you this first. Here's your walkout attic. So tons of storage back there. This house is amazing. As I've mentioned in other videos, your walkout attic is like a game changer. If you've ever had to pull down the stairs and get Christmas trees and bins and all kinds of other stuff you're storing up those stairs, it's a pain. And as soon as you have this, there's no going back. Everything else is just subpar. Okay, we'll show you the outside first because there was someone standing in the way, but that's okay. Here is your huge patio space. Love that. You get a swing set, tons of greenery, huge yard, you guys. Let me just back out here so you can kind of see the whole thing. You have more side yard over there. You could definitely get a pool in here if you wanted. I do like the design of the back. Sometimes they tend to look a little bit like a bunker, but this one has a really nice shape. So props to the builder for that. Let's go back in and then we will go to the master. Oh my gosh, and if you guys need lending, call Evan right here.
Call me.
Here's her card.
Call me.
Amazing.
I do it all.
She does it all. Okay, here is the master bedroom. Really good size. Love the windows. But here's a selling point right here. Look at this master bath. I always point out the double doors because I don't know. I just really like those. Not sure why, but love the grays and whites. Huge tub. This one doesn't have the jets in it, but that's okay. We don't always have to have jets. Love the green and white throughout, even carried into the massive shower. I like the strip accent with those tiles. The word escapes me, but it's that kind of teardrop pattern. It's not chevron. Chevron is the other one. Maybe it is chevron. Nah, it's not. Let me know in the comments if you know what that pattern is. Your toilet area, and then here is the huge master closet. So you've got kind of a his and hers situation. There is no dividing wall, so it doesn't go all the way around. So just keep that in mind because this one is being used. So this left side is going to have more closet space, obviously, but still a good use of space. Typically one of the spouses will have more clothes than the other. So I think that was a interesting, not interesting, but a good choice. Good choice. Here's your utility room. Love the sink and that they put granite in here, so it's going to withstand the test of time. You have like kind of a mudroom situation, and let's check out the garage. I don't usually go out there. Let's see. So good size. Of course, these people are moving because they're selling their house. You do have a storm shelter right there. I don't know if that stays for sure. I didn't read the disclosure, but if you're interested in this house, we can double check on that. And then you have your other third car garage right there. So tons of space. The seller does have kind of a workbench situation over there, which is cool. But yeah, good sized garage. So let me know what you guys think about this home in the comments. I'll put a link to all the photos and information so you can see even more pictures and more closer pictures of the kitchen because there is a lot of people in there. I don't want to shove the camera in people's faces. So let me know, like I said, what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours, real estate tips, and just living in Tulsa content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.